Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I want to share with you the embellishment flower that I made to top this perfect parcel dies box. So this is really quick and easy. You're going to use the daisy punch and punch 3 of those. I've used terracotta tile. You're going to use the new medium daisy punch and punch 3 of those, and I've used calypso coral. And then you're going to use this 1 1/8 scallop punch, and I've got 2 of those in Grapefruit Grove. So let's put this together. We're going to use some multi-purpose liquid glue and stack these at a slight offset. Okay, put another little dab here. I'm being a mess today with glue. You don't have to be at home because you can take just a smidge more time. Okay, and then let's glue these together. Same thing. Slight offset. And while those are drying, then we'll work on our scallop punch pieces over here in the Grapefruit Grove. Take your paper snips and cut every 2 scallops. Okay, next you're going to take your bone folder and just curl these, give them a little bit of a curl. Hold the end of the cut line in the center so that you, as you work to curl these, you don't rip the little petals loose that you've created, because it takes a little bit of a tug on this smaller piece. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Stampin' Pierce mat and the large ball end and just roll that around here in the center to give that a little more curl. And same thing. And let's glue these 2 together. And while that dries, we're going to start and work these and lift up each one of the petals and give them a curl. I do 1 layer at a time. And then this smaller stack. Now you could curl these first, but I do find it easier to do this and then stack them, because they're rather than curling first, because then I'm not having to fiddle with how the curls fit together. It's a personal choice. Then we're just going to glue this in the center, and same thing here. And we'll set that aside. Whoops. I'll foof it after it's dried. Okay, and then finally, I've got the leaf punch, and I've punched 3 leaves, and I have some alcohol in my spritzer, and I'm going to spritz the old olive leaves and just crumple them up. They will hold their little sculptural form once they're dry, and alcohol dries fairly quickly. And it's just regular rubbing alcohol. Should you choose to, you can hit it with a little bit of heat from your heat tool. Or if you spray these first, they'll be dry by the time your flour's ready. So, and here we go. We'll do one top and a couple at the bottom. And there you go. Be great on a card, or as I used it here on this perfect parcel die box. Now, if you want to add detail to those daisy flower petals, you can use this daisy lane set and add a little striping to your flower petals. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, then hop on over to theartfulinker.com to see what else I've created and to shop for your Stampin' Up! Products. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Bye.